In this question, we're given four views that represent a 3D object, and we need to then figure out what the new front view is going to look like after we were to rotate this object 90 degrees clockwise about the vertical axis. So we have a top view, front view, left view, right view. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use some isometric dot paper here virtually and draw this object and then try to rotate it. So I'm going to start with the top view. So the top view looks like I've got 3 blocks with 1 in front. So 3 blocks with 1 in front. Front view looks like I've got 3 blocks with 1 on top. So there's my 3 in front with 1 on top. And then my left and right views, well, it looks like we've got an L and then a backwards L. If I look at this guy from the left, I got 1, 2, 3. Kind of looks like this. Oh, hold on one second. Let me grab my paintbrush instead. That's kind of what I got going for my left face. There's an L. And if I were to rotate this thing from to the right side, then you can kind of see we've got that backwards L shape there. So what we want to do is rotate this thing 90 degrees clockwise. Let's go reset things a little bit. All right. There's my original view. Now clockwise means I'm going in this direction here. I'm going around in a circle. So what I want to do is rotate it 90 degrees that way and then look at the new front view. So now this, which was my right view, has become my front view. So I've got that backwards facing L. And that corresponds to our answer of B right here.